Alright, so we just went through an overview of the menu options, and within the menu options there's a parameter called cycle type. I want to go in more detail on that and explain what that entails. So to get to the main menu, we just hit the jog down, and then if we scroll down, we're going to go over to cycle type and hit OK. When we get there, we're going to see some options. So the first one blinking says up and down. That's probably the most common setting that people use. So under this setting, the carriage will start at the bottom of the pallet, wrap upwards, and then when the photo eye detects the top of the pallet, the carriage will then come back down and complete the cycle at the bottom of the pallet. Then we have only downwards. So under this setting, the carriage will raise up to the top of the pallet, and the turntable will remain stationary while it does that. And then when the carriage gets to the top of the pallet, it will begin its wrap cycle going downward and finish at the bottom of the pallet. Then we have layers. This setting is designed to wrap as you build the pallet. So when you hit the start button, the machine will start to wrap the pallet with the carriage going upward until the photo eye no longer sees the pallet. You can then begin stacking your next layer and hit start to wrap the next layer. Then we have manual TSD, also known as top sheet. This cycle is designed to allow you to place a top sheet on the load, and it will wrap the top sheet to the pallet. When pressing start, the carriage will rise and wrap the pallet. Once the photo eye detects the top of the pallet, the carriage slightly moves down and the cycle stops. At this point, you put the top sheet on the pallet and hit start. The carriage will slightly go up and wrap the top sheet, and then the carriage will go back down to the bottom of the pallet, wrapping the pallet in the process. Then we have bi pallet. This cycle is designed to wrap two pallets that are stacked on each other, so it reinforces where that middle pallet would be. Then we have only upwards. Under this setting, the carriage will start wrapping at the bottom of the pallet, and when it gets to the top, it'll stop and the cycle will be complete. So that's a quick overview of the cycle types. We do have more videos that you can watch that will give you more detail on those cycle types and show you how they work.